The important Harappan sites. So the first discovered site was Harappa in 1921 by Dayaram Sahni. It was on the bank of Ravi, river Ravi, and this Harappa is present in Punjab in Pakistan. So it has got 12 granaries, and Harappa is called as city of granaries, and it has clay figurines of mother goddess. It has the wooden coffins. It has a bronze scale was found, and it had 12 bronze mirrors and potter's wheel. This was the first site of the Indus Valley civilization, Harappa. And ఇక్కడ ఇంకొకటి ఏంటంటే in Harappa a H shaped cemetery and R37 symmetry of H and R37 were found, and coffin burials, that is wooden coffin burials were found. కఫిన్స్లో పెట్టి ఒక వుడెన్ బాక్స్లో పెట్టి పూడ్చేవాళ్ళు అనమాట ఇన్ హరప్ప. దట్ వాస్ ఫౌండ్. అండ్ గ్రానరీస్ వర్ ఫౌండ్, సిటీ ఆఫ్ గ్రానరీస్. అండ్ దెన్ గ్రానరీ వాస్ ఫౌండ్ అవుట్ సైడ్ ద ఫోర్ట్ ఆల్సో. ఇన్ హరప్ప గ్రానరీ అనేది it was also found outside the fort, maybe the citadel. And phallic worship also was found in Harappa. And then the next site was Mohenjo-daro. Before that, one more important feature about Harappa was what is intriguing and what is intriguing is the fact that there are no clusters of settlement sites around Harappa. అసలు ఇంక వేరే సెటిల్మెంట్ సైట్సే లేవు. దేర్ ఆర్ నో క్లస్టర్ ఆఫ్ సెటిల్మెంట్ సైట్స్ అరౌండ్ హరప్ప. ఇన్ హరప్ప a substantial section of the population was engaged in activities other than food production. The population were engaged in activities like administration, like trade, like craft work or religion. So food production కాకుండా most of the population was engaged in administration, trade, craft work and religion. And it ranks as the premium city of the civilization. Harappa was the premier city of the civilization. Next is Mohenjo-daro, which was discovered in 1922. Mohenjo-daro was discovered in 1922 by R.D. Banerjee, Rakaldas Banerjee. Mohenjo-daro is on the bank of river Indus, and now it is present in Sindh in Pakistan. And the great granary of 150 by 50 size, 150 feet by 50 feet size was present in Mohenjo-daro. The great bath of 39 by 23 by 8 size was present in Mohenjo-daro. And multi-pillared assembly hall is also present in Mohenjo-daro. A temple like structure is present in Mohenjo-daro. Mohenjo-daro means the mound of the dead. An image of the bronze dancing girl was present. A stated head of a bearded man believed to be a priest was found in Mohenjo-daro. Fire altars and Silajit has also been found. And mother goddess was found here that resembles the Isis Devi of Egypt. And Pasupati seal has been discovered here. And the brick burials and a cotton piece was found. And big jars have also been found. Cotton piece Mohenjo-daro dorkin big jars were found. And bronze figure of the dancing doll has been found. Jewelry of gold, statite and semi-precious stones also were the prized catch of Mohenjo-daro. Mohenjo-daro is located on the bank of the river Indus. It was the largest Harappan city, that is, it had a population of about 35,000 people, which is an interesting development in those days. Appatlone it had a population of 35,000 people, but in some places they say that Mohenjo-daro is the second largest site. And now, because maybe it is not present in Harappa, in Haryana, Rakhi Garhi is the largest site and cheptunar. Just let's see. And 3 cylindrical seals were found of Sumeria. 3 cylindrical Sumerian seals were found in Mohenjo-daro. And dancing girl and statite head of the priest was found. So Mohenjo-daro 1922, R.D. Banerjee, river Indus, Sindh, and all these features were present. The next important site is Chanhu Daro. Chanhu Daro was discovered in 1931. Chanhu Daro 1931 by M. Majumdar. M. Majumdar on the bank of river Indus. It is now present in Sindh province. M.G. Majumdar, Chanhu Daro, M.G. Majumdar on the bank of river Indus 1931. Now it's in Sindh province, and there we find the evidence of lipsticks, evidence of cat footprints were found, and cat's footprints, evidence of the lipsticks were found, evidence in Chanhu Daro, evidence of the cat's footprint, and then ink pot were found, and appartlone they used to ink pot to write and చెప్పి we can say. And there was no citadel was found. It is one of the greatest centers of the Carnelian bead making. Chanhu Daro was one of the greatest centers of the Carnelian bead making, and no citadel was found, and the drainage system was well developed, and remnants of Jukkar and Jangar cultures were found. Remnants of Jukkar and Jangar cultures were found, and Harappan and post-Harappan sites also were found in Chanhu Daro. So one of the greatest centers of Carnelian bead making was Chanhu Daro ink pot. No citadel. Remember, no citadel has been found in Chanhu Daro, but Dholavira had 3 citadels. 3 parts, upper, middle and lower parts had been found. So this is about Chanhu Daro. Chanhu Daro 1931, M.G. Majumdar, Indus, Sindh province, lipsticks, cats, footprints, ink pots, no citadels, Jukkar and Jangar culture, and Center for Carnelian bead making. The next important site was Lothal. Lothal was discovered in 1955 by S.R. Rao. Lothal 1955 by S.R. Rao. It is on the river Bogavo. It is on the river. It is in the confluence of the river Bogavo or Bogava. Confluence of river Bogavo and river Saraswati. River Bogavo and river Saraswati. So Lothal was discovered in 1955 by S.R. Rao. S.R. Rao 1955, and it was in the confluence of river Bogavo and river Sabarmati in Gujarat. Bogavo and river Sabarmati in Gujarat, and it is the important findings in this place are: it is a dockyard. Lothal was a dockyard, and rice husk was found, and terracotta horse was found, and there were double burials. 2 people put in one burial. Now, so important thing: rice husk, terracotta horse was found, and double burials were found. And bead. It was an important bead making center, and it was a port city. It was a port city, and there were because of port city, it had ship seals, and it had fire altars. It has twin burial in a single grave. It has 1 rice gram was found, and terracotta horse, terracotta cart and terracotta horse was found, and restrooms also were found. Restrooms were found in Lothal. మేబీ బికాస్ వేరే కంట్రీస్ నుంచి వచ్చే వాళ్ళు అక్కడ డాక్ యార్డ్కి వస్తారు కదా, అక్కడ రెస్ట్ రూమ్స్లో ఉండడానికి మేబీ రెస్ట్ రూమ్స్ వేర్ ప్లేస్డ్. సో దట్స్ వై టెరకోటా కార్ట్ వాస్ దేర్, టెరకోటా హార్స్ ఆల్సో వాస్ దేర్, హార్స్ బొమ్మ వాస్ దేర్, అండ్ 12 బనియన్ రైస్ గ్రామ్స్. అండ్ దెన్ అక్కడ వచ్చిన వాళ్ళు ఫారిన్ ట్రేడ్ నుంచి వచ్చిన వాళ్ళు ఆడుకోవడానికి దే హ్యాడ్ చెస్ బోర్డ్ also was found in Lothal. And then baked bricks were present in Lothal. So Lothal 1955, S.R. Rao, Boga river on the confluence of river Bogavo and Sabarmati, and it is in Gujarat. Lothal is located in the coastal flatlands of Gulf of Cambay, which stood beside the tributary of Sabarmati. And the next important site is Kalibangan. Kalibangan was discovered by B.B. Lal. It was discovered by B.B. Lal అని కొన్ని చోట్ల చెప్తున్నారు. In Karim sir notes it's written as B.B. Lal, but in Law Excellence and all in one it's written as Dr. A.R. Ghosh. Kalibangan. So let's just see. Kalibangan by Kalibangan by Dr. A. Ghosh. And it is present in um, on the bank of river Gagar, that is river Saraswati. It is present on the bank of river Gagar in Rajasthan, that is in the Hanuman Ghar in Ganganagar in Rajasthan. So it has both pre-Harappan and Harappan sites were found in Kalibangan. It has fire altars. It has 7 fire altars were found in Kalibangan, and decorated bricks were found, and plowed field was found in Kalibangan. Kalibanganlo plowed field, that is world's earliest plowed field, was found in Kalibangan, and it had the Mesopotamian cylindrical seals. It had Mesopotamian cylindrical seals. It had copper bangles. It had the wooden toy cart. It had ivory combs. It had wooden ivory combs were found. Seven. It had rectangular grave. Ornamental bricks were found. It had rectangular graves. It had 7 fire altars. It had ivory comb. It had Mesopotamian cylindrical seals, bangles of copper, and wooden toy cart was found in Kalibangan. Next important site was Dholavira. Dholavira was discovered in 1991 by J.P. Joshi. J.P. Joshi, Dholavira, 1991, and now it is present in Gujarat. Dholavira and Lothal both are present in Gujarat, and Kalibangan is present in Rajasthan. Dholavira in Gujarat. So it is the biggest site found in India. So Dholavira is the biggest site found in India. So in Karim Sir's notes, it's written that it is the biggest site found in India. But in Sailaja ma'am notes lo aithe Raki Garhi is the biggest site found in India అని చెప్పారు. So anyways, Dholavira was found by J.P. Joshi అని ఇక్కడ చెప్తున్నారు. But Dholavira was founded by Dr. Bist అని చెప్పి దీంట్లో లాగ్ సన్స్లో చెప్తున్నారు. Okay, finally, ఏమంటే it was Dholavira is present in Kutch region in Gujarat. It was discovered by J.P. Joshi around 1967 to 68, but it was excavated in the 1967 to 68 లోనే J.P. Joshi he discovered it, but it was excavated by R.S. Bisht, Bisht in 1991. So it has two parts, the citadel and the lower town. So it has got a water reservoir. It has water reservoir, that is, and it has got a stadium. It has the longest inscription చదువుకున్నాం కదా in front of the it had a fallen signboard and it has longest inscription. It had a stadium. అంటే ఆర్ట్స్ని వాళ్ళు చూసేవాళ్ళు అనమాట ఆ స్టేడియంలో కూర్చొని. ఇట్ హ్యాడ్ ఇన్స్క్రిప్షన్. ఇట్ హ్యాడ్ వాటర్ హార్వెస్టింగ్ సిస్టమ్ విత్ యునిక్ ఫీచర్స్, and the city was divided into 3 parts. The Dholavira, the city was divided into 3 parts, and it had unique features like water harvesting system with the unique features, that is water reservoirs, and it had excellent water management system with huge water reservoirs and check dams. Water reservoirs ఉన్నాయి డోలావీరాలో, and check dams కూడా ఉన్నాయి. A public place has been found in the heart of the city, which could be a stadium, a coronation ground, a market, or an amphitheater. We called it a stadium. So in a public place was found in the heart of the city, which could either be a stadium, it can be a coronation ground where kings ki వాళ్ళకి crown పెట్టే ground, and it can either be a market కూడా ఉండొచ్చు where everything trade was done. It could be a market, or it can be an amphitheater where arts were seen. Okay, unlike the other one Harappan towns which were divided into 2 parts, the Dholavira was divided into 3 parts, that is citadel, the middle town, and the lower town. The first 2 were strongly protected by rectangular fortifications. The citadel and the middle town were protected by rectangular fortifications. Then Banavali was by Dr. Bist. In Banavali, the importance was no grid planning. There was no grid planning and no drainage system, and a toy plow was found. Banavali was discovered in 1973. Banavali in 1973 by R.S. Bisht, BHIST. Dr. Bisht. It was on the river Saraswati. Banavali is present on the river Saraswati. It is in the state of Haryana. There we found the remains of wheat and barley was found there. In Banavali, remains of wheat and barley is found, and a bronze plow, bronze తో చేసిన plow was found, and a terracotta plow also found. Bronze and terracotta plow both were found. It does not have grid pattern. And 21st century grid pattern is present in Chandigarh in Haryana, and a 12-horned tiger seal was found. టైగర్కి 12 హార్న్స్ ఉన్నాయంట. ఒక 12 హార్న్స్ ఉన్న టైగర్ సీల్ వాస్ ఫౌండ్. సో it was pre-Harappan, post-Harappan, both the sites were present. It is present, Banavali is present in the Hisar district of Haryana. Tools and figurines have been found. Clay model plow also has been found. Terracotta plow, that is, and bronze plow, both of them in found. Citadel was found, and there was no drainage system, and there was no grid pattern. The next one is Surkotada. Surkotada was discovered in 1965 by Jagapati Joshi. Surkotada, Jagapati Joshi. Surkotada was discovered by Jagapati Joshi. It is in Gujarat. Surkotada is present in Gujarat. They found the findings were skeletons of horse, and human bones were found in the pot. That means the pot burials. Human bones were found in the pot, skeletons of a horse, and stone covered grave. The grave was covered with stone covered grave, and burial room was present, and human bones were found in pottery. Human bones were found in the pot. That means pot burials and bones of a horse, stone covered grave, and burial rooms. It was Surkotada is completely about the burials. Anni horse burials, pot burials, and grave was covered with stones, and burial room. It was founded by Jagapati Joshi. He Surkotada 1965 in Gujarat. The next one is Rangpur. Rangpur was discovered in 1931. Rangpur is 80 kilometers from Lothal in Gujarat. Rangpur is also present in Gujarat, 80 kilometers from Lothal in Gujarat. M.S. Watts has found it. M.S. Watts found it in 1931, and S.R. Rao excavated the site in 1957-58. It is a post-Harappan site, and rice husk has been found here, and 6 types of potteries have been excavated from here. 6 types of different potteries have been excavated from Rangpur. Different potteries rice store చేసుకునే వాళ్ళు. So 6 types of potteries has been excavated. Rice husk has been found. It is a post-Harappan site. M.S. Watts and S.R. Rao has excavated this. And next important site is Daimabad. Daimabad is the southmost border of the Indus Valley civilization. So Daimabad was discovered in 1958. Daimabad was discovered by B.P. Bopardikar. Daimabad. So Daimabad was discovered in 1958 itself. In Daimabad is present in Maharashtra. B.P. Bopardikar, Sudhakar, Divakar అన్నాం కదా. అక్కర్స్ అన్ని మహారాష్ట్రలో ఉంటారు. Bopardikar, Daimabad, Maharashtra. అలా గుర్తుపెట్టి మహారాష్ట్ర. అండ్ బరియల్ ఆఫ్ అ మ్యాన్ విత్ అ డాగ్ వాజ్ ప్రెసెంట్ ఇన్ Daimabadలో ఏముంది, బరియల్ ఆఫ్ అ మ్యాన్ అలాంగ్ విత్ హిస్ డాగ్. అండ్ ద సిటీ Daimabad is also divided into 3 parts. Daimabad is the southernmost Harappan site, and bronze images of chariot and ox were found. The bronze ox and bronze chariot was found in Daimabad. The next important site is Rakhi Garhi was last excavated site 1997. Last ga kanukunindi by Professor Suraj Bhan and Acharya Bhagwan. By Professor Suraj Bhan and Acharya Bhagwan was Rakhi Garhi. It is on the bank of river Gagar Hakra river plains in Haryana, Hisar district. So this is the biggest Harappan site, and it is necropolis sites. The necropolis sites, and seal and potsherd has been found. Seal and potsherd has been found, and fish ఫిష్ నెట్ అంటే అప్పట్లోనే నెట్ వేసి ఫిషెస్ని పట్టేవాళ్ళు, అంటే ఫిష్ హెడ్ డిజైన్స్ వర్ బీన్ ఫౌండ్, ఆ రివర్లో పట్టేవాళ్ళం. ఫిష్ నెట్ డిజైన్స్ వర్ బీన్ ఫౌండ్ ఇన్ రాకీ గర్హి నెక్రోపోలిస్ సైట్స్, బిగ్గెస్ట్ హరప్పన్ సైట్స్, seals and potsherds has been found. And another important sites are Manda, which is the northernmost site in Jammu and Kashmir. Alamgirpur is the easternmost site, and Sukta Jendar is the westernmost site. Sukta Jendar, it provides the first actual remains of the horse. Sukta Jendar provides the first actual remains of the horse. It is present in South Balochistan. It was excavated by Orelstein. And citadel has been found. And copper తో చేసిన axe అంటే గొడ్డలి, copper తో చేసిన axe has been excavated from Sukta Jendar. And the next important site is Surkotada అనేది it is present in Gujarat. We finished Surkotada. The next important one is Ropar. Ropar is present on the banks of river Satluj in Punjab. River Satluj in Punjab is Ropar, and it is discovered by Y.D. Sharma in 1953. It is mature and late Harappan sites. New type of pottery and ornaments. రూపార్ అనుకోపోయి, రూపార్ అంటే మంచి మంచి రూపాలు ఉన్నావు కదా, సో అక్కడ మంచి మంచి పాటరీ అండ్ ఆర్నమెంట్స్ కనుక్కున్నారు. రూపార్ మంచి రూపము, సో మంచి ఆర్నమెంట్స్ అండ్ పాటరీ హ్యాడ్ బీన్ ఫౌండ్ హియర్. ఇట్ హ్యాస్ ఈల్డెడ్ 5-fold సీక్వెన్స్ ఆఫ్ కల్చర్స్, 5 different kinds of cultures, that is Harappan culture. PGW అంటే పాలిష్డ్ గ్రేవేర్, PGW కల్చర్స్, NBP నార్దర్న్ బ్లాక్ పాటరీ culture, and Kushans and Gupta period, Kushanas and Gupta period, and the medieval period. So all these cultures have been found in Ropar. Gupta period, medieval period, and Kushanas period, all this has been found in Rupar. So it yielded typical Harappan pottery. That is typical Harappan pottery, cert plates, beads ఉన్నాయి అక్కడ, ఆర్నమెంట్స్, బ్రాన్స్ సెల్ట్స్, టెరకోటా కేక్స్ ఉన్నాయి అక్కడ, టెరకోటా అంటే క్లే కేక్స్ ఉన్నాయి. అండ్ one inscribed statite stele with typical Indus pictographs. The evidence of burying the dog below the human burial not found, was found in Rupar, and it was not found in the Daimabad, not found in either Harappan site. Copper axe was found. Houses were made out of stones and mud. And Kot Diji is an important one. Kot Diji is in Sindh. It was discovered by Gourier in 1935. It is pre-Harappan and Harappan site. Stone arrowhead was found. Stone తో చేసిన arrowhead was found, and statite steels, figurines of the ox and people leaf has been found here. Painted vases of the potteries with the inscribed sun and peacock has been. Kot Diji, inscribed sun and peacock has been found in 1955 and 57. Painted vase of pottery with inscribed sun and peacocks. Appatlo sun and peacocks, they knew everything. The pre-Harappan culture at Kot Diji had typical features with a well-rectangular town plan with the lanes and houses with stone foundations. Appatlone foundations వేసేవాళ్ళు houses కి with stone foundations, and mud brick walls. mud bricks తో లే చేసిన వాల్స్ ఉండేవన్నమాట. This is about it. And what are the common basic features of the Indus sites? Basic features common గా అన్ని sites కు ఉన్నది వచ్చి the Indus scripts appearing on the seals, town planning, use of the baked bricks as well as the sun-dried bricks. Baked bricks యూస్ చేసేవాళ్ళు, sun-dried bricks యూస్ చేసేవాళ్ళు. And straight roads and well planned drainages, citadel, and masonry wells and the tanks. Use of standard weights and measurements. And wheel made pottery, it was baked red or it was painted red. Some pottery had motifs painted on it. The practice of burying the dead was common.